Hello, this is Gles. I'm a Facebook media buyer, and I would like to thank Coach Jo Thompson for helping me through her course about Facebook account restriction. Sa first video ng course pa lang is very informative na dapat malaman natin o dapat alam natin bago tayo pumasok sa world ng advertising. Lalo na sa katulad ko na baguhan pa lang as advertiser, at sa business owners na nag-run ng kanilang ads. Nung time na na-restrict yung account ko, sobrang nakakasad kasi hindi ko alam yung next step na gagawin ko. Kahit na nag-send na ako ng appeal kay Facebook. But because of her course, lumakas ulit yung loob ko kasi may paraan naman pala. So, I highly recommend yung Coach Jo Thompson. Thank you again, Coach, for helping me. God bless.